How is this? Is this okay? All right, here we go. Hopefully we can throw this away.
Yeah.
We have it. Upgraded our audio with the Yeti Blue microphone. Here is the box. That's coming in. Is that focusing? I think so. Okay. It's a nice picture of it. Yeti Blue is a studio condenser mic, whereas the Rode mic on the camera, a shotgun mic, very, very useful, but it just won't give you that deep, rich, luxurious sound that you want. The Yeti Blue microphone that I have here featured. Color is black, but I guess blue is the name. And it was somewhat inexpensive. You have this. And you gotta... Well, I'm just so glad that they make everything so small. And you put this in here, like that. And then you can jam this into your phone. Oh God. Like that. And that is how you can talk on your microphone.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so right now I am recording with this microphone. And I have the Blue Yeti. Thank God they made it so that it can only break if you look at it wrong. Maybe we can do away with stuff here. And oh yeah, I got this also. And there we go. Well, let's see how well this works. This is neat. The Yeti Blue. I had to put some little tags here. One, it says blinking, this little red light here. If that light is blinking, you're not recording, or it's not working. I have it tapped into my phone, and I can start recording. I don't know if this is showing up. No, it's all just... So it's recording on my phone, and I can auto sync everything when I get into my Filmora. My other portable mic, which you can see here, which plugs into the bottom of your phone, and it's a Zoplam. This here, I don't know if that's picking that up. Anyhow, it's, it has served its purpose, and it did quite well for what it was supposed to do. Again, user probably didn't do very good, but the Blue is it has a USB computer to phone connection, and the sound quality is very rich, studio quality. Blue microphone, as you see pictured here. It has been sitting on my shelf staring at me ominously for months now, until I figured out how to go ahead and get it recording. And so now it's recording. So we're testing how how does the I don't now. Okay, so now I'm yelling. Okay, no wait, I'm about 5 feet away from the Yeti Blue, and I'm talking in a normal voice. Let's just test this. How is this doing? How is the Yeti Blue doing? Picking up voices from over here. Now I'm gonna walk over to here, and we're just gonna test it out. And we're walking back and forth, and we'll get down here, see how the Yeti. Oh God, dang it! Got cramp. Dang it. Okay, we're gonna test it because I gotta walk this cramp off. Oh. Okay. All right, we're just gonna sit down. Oh, no more leg cramps, please. Okay. So, no sense in even walking around testing out the Yeti Blue audio because I'm gonna just sit in front of it instead of walking around. I'm not gonna do gymnastics. I can see medic coming in, performing CPR. The audio is a lot better quality, but the Rode microphone is a good microphone for being mounted on the camera. And, you know, as much as I don't really care for these little guys, they do have a place, and they will be used again in the future. If you have a piece of equipment that you enjoy using or you find really helpful, mention it in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Really hope you found this information helpful. Ask a question down in the comments below. So thanks for joining in, and we'll see you next time. Bye.